Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to automate opening a URL in new tab using Selenium Java. Okay, so first we will see the scenario we are going to automate. So in Chrome browser, we are going to launch, and after that, we will be opening a URL. You can take any URL. So I am going to take selenium.dev. I am going to load this URL in Chrome browser. After that, I am going to open a new tab. Okay, so after opening a new tab, here it will be empty. So there will be no URL. It will be showing like new tab. After that, I will be loading another URL. We can load google.co.in. Okay. So it will be opening another URL. So here you can use any URL. I'm just using selenium.dev and google.co.in for example. Okay. So we can try this scenario. So this particular scenario will be working only in Selenium 4. Currently I am using 4.14.1. Okay, so if you are using a older version, it will not be working. So what you can do is, this is the Maven dependency. So if you are using 3.141.59, okay, so in this version the things we are going to discuss will not be working from the below versions. Okay, all this version it will not be working, only with the above version, 4 versions only it will be working. So from 4.0, right? So I think from here it will start working. So if you are not having 4, upgrade to any of these versions. Okay, so I am using this particular 4.14.1 which they released in October 12. Okay, so we can go to the scenario. So I am closing this particular pom.xml. So here I created a Java class and I added a code for opening the Chrome browser inside main method. So you can also do that. After that, we can give driver.get, and within get I can give the URL. So I will close this Maven website also. So I am copying this URL. You can use any URL. We have given driver.get and we have loaded selenium.dev. After that, I am going to print the URL of this page. Okay, current URL. So I will give in this way, and I will also give some numbering for understanding our understanding. Okay, driver dot get current URL. If you are giving get current URL, it will be printing the URL which is loaded. Okay, after that, what we can do is, in order to open a new tab like this, we have a feature given from Selenium driver dot switch to dot window. So here there are two type of windows. Okay, so the new window which they implemented, that is there in new window in the bottom here you see. So this is the one we are going to use. So we are not going to use this particular first option that is given. So this is available before also. So the one we are talking about Selenium 4, the new feature that is there in Selenium 4 alone, that is the new window. Okay, so you can select this one, and we need to give window type dot. So here we are going to get two options, that is tab and window. So I am currently going to see only the tab, so I can select tab. So if you are going to use window, we can use that, we will discuss in the upcoming videos. So now I given this one, so this will open a new tab inside the same browser. Okay, same window bro of this particular browser. Now what we can do is we can give some wait time. After this, I will copy the same thing and paste below this. Then we can understand what is the URL we are going to get. We can print both URL and title. Okay, that will be easier for our understanding. In order to get the title, you can get title. Okay, so I will copy the same code here and paste it. So now what we can do is we have opened this, and here I will give, as we discussed before, we are going to give google.co.in. Okay, so we are going to open google.co.in in the new tab. So what we can do is I will copy the same code in the top and paste it here. Here I am going to mention like 3, and here I can mention google.co.in. Okay, after that it will be printing the URL and the title. Okay, so we can try this scenario. After every action it will be waiting for 5 seconds. So this is the only code that is helping us to switch to the new tab in the same browser window. Okay, so we can see that. So we will also give driver.quit to quit the browser. Okay, I'm going to run this. We will see how it goes. So it opened the first URL. Now it is opening the new tab in the same browser window. Now the google.co.in is loaded. Now it closed the browser. It is done. Okay, so you can see the title for the first URL. After that we are getting this one. Okay, so there is no title here, so it is not printing, so you can ignore that. So here we are having title, so it is printing along with the title and the URL. Okay, that's all I have for this video. So we will meet in another new video with new content. Thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Yeah, thank you.